All right, you go to any district court complex. Yes. You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go that to Siliguri. You go to Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
No, I am.
I say this with responsibility.
Yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here. What has the PWD done?
Sexual Harassment Act, which has been brought in as a law, this is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to any of the government hospital.
We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best.
No complaint has been lodged by the principal and the authority. Millard, on that score, I could not apprise your lordship. Millard,
You file an affidavit.
I am not in a position.
You file an affidavit.
No, I have.
You file an affidavit, sir.
Except few people gathered in his house and wanted to set the fire. Millard, for that,
Seek police protection, sir.
No, we have already deployed.
even
Because we have made all our prima facie observations. We have also made a prima facie observation that your client is a very powerful person. So therefore, don't worry. Police will give you adequate.
it's possible that question doesn't come. Millard,
Yes. It does come. It does come.
Yes.
kindly give a
You challenge our order, sir. You challenge our order. You challenge our order. As we have signed, the order has been uploaded. It has to be implemented. Otherwise, we'll take suo motu contempt. If you want to bring on record anything, please file an affidavit. Let us test the correctness of your submission based on affidavit. Let him come and affirm an affidavit here. We will take it up.
Now, may
In the
I?
meantime, the state is with you. There's no problem. They will post 500 policemen in your house. Nobody can set it on. If you don't trust the state police, please inform the court. We will request the central forces to guard your house.
I am all along with cooperating with the investigation agents.
We'll see, sir. We'll see. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Let him be peaceful at home. Let him relax for some time.
Well, I believe Mr. Bhattacharya is appearing, Millard.
No.
You are appearing for the doctor. Yes, you file an affidavit.
For the doctor or his family, Millard, we have already taken steps for the court, Millard. The Honorable Single Judge, Millard, we have taken leave to move a matter, Millard, on an urgent basis because, Millard, his entire house was, Millard, he was gherowed, Millard, by a huge mob on the 15th, Millard, intervening night, 14th and 15th.
But you don't require a court order, sir.
We require.
No, they will take care.
Unfortunately, they have not. Unfortunately, they have not.
Definitely.
With deepest of respect, Millard, they have not. Now, therefore,
You move the single bench letters.
Yes, may I now submit? Well, I've been trying to submit for some time. First and foremost, may I say that as of now, and I say now, the PO is secure. All these allegations that the PO has been demolished, destroyed, nothing is
All right.
correct.
Then you
This-
file an affidavit.
I can.
Yes.
One more thing, may I just say? As far as the demolition work that happened, that was not anyway, that was not in the PO or anywhere. That is for other room because there was a long-standing demand.
Sir, what was the urgency, sir?
The urgency is not, I'll tell you, Lord Lord, that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, but I say it.
All right, you go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is-
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
no, I am saying.
I say this with responsibility.
Yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here.
Well,
What has the
today-
PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secure.
Yes,
When the demolition
All
work
right,
carried out was outside,
All
much
right.
further
How
away from the
many
PO.
patients are there? We'll close down the hospital. We'll shift all the patients to some other government hospital. We'll convince the patient party to cooperate. We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. Close the hospital. How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best. And all this story is saying that within 12 hours, restroom has to be provided. See the conditions, sir. See the condition in the court premises.
If I'm not, if PO is fully secure, I say it as of now.
We take
Not
it.
for the adequate
The entire submission. Your Lordship does not want to hear my submission.
Yes, sir, I will hear you,
But
sir.
my submission is, the issue is the PO. The PO I said as of now is also.
My lord,
There is no demolition work that has
All
happened in the
Right,
PO.
so as of
I'm
now,
saying it
PO
with
is because of the
responsibility and on instruction.
We take your word. You let this be on record by whoever is the dean of the hospital or administrator of the hospital. Let him file saying that nothing has been done. You support.
Nothing is in the PO.
Yes, and you can substantiate with photographs, and you can say,
Yes.
and what was the work done? We are with an open mind, sir.
Yes.
But
But
what
that's
you-
all I'm praying for.
Yes, you should also be disturbed
Look,
as a citizen of West Bengal,
But
having been
when
born and brought up
submissions
here.
are made, when
you should
submissions
say-
are made with
Yes,
facts,
yes.
that also
It should
disturbs.
pain you. It should pain you also.
Look,
Pains me.
It does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your lordship doesn't want to hear us, then it's a
No,
different
no,
thing.
it's not that way, sir.
Your
We have
lordship,
been here. We have been.
Sir, I am categorically saying the PO is secure as of now.
We will take your word. Take your word. You let an affidavit come on record saying that the people is safe. CBI is under investigation. If they want, they can controvert. They can also examine. They will-
We have no problem with that. Let them go. Have they made it? That is the investigating agency. Have they come and said that PO has been demolished?
We have not taken up the issue today. The matter has been listed today because several requests have come by the writ petitioners themselves reporting about this vandalism. So this vandalism, could it have been prevented, is the moot question. Who did it, for what purpose it was did, etc. There's a gross difference between 35 people and 7,000 people. How many entered the hospital? What was the reason to, break all facilities in the emergency weeks? This can never be understood, sir.
May
I
I
don't
submit
think so.
this?
Such things has occurred in any
I
other
will,
part of the
I
country.
have with me, well, it's just that I cannot show it to your lordship. The amount of resistance the police were putting up and how this
It
vandalism.
is true, sir. The police are also injured. That's
Yes,
sufficient.
even a rank of deputy commissioner has got injured. The other officers are also injured. That is when.
So
I am saying,
therefore,
but today,
is it a failure of the law and order situation?
it is not.
That shows the helplessness of the state police authorities, and that is why we pray for deployment of central paramilitary forces. That is the
Mr. Bakshi, please.
merit.
Therefore, please.
your lordship,
Yeah.
parallelly, a committee may be formed only for, your lordship, the condition of female doctors there who are working, who are studying is precarious. A judicial committee may be created only to suggest what state could take measures to improve the condition. This is required. Not only safety, plus the hygiene. Sexual Harassment Act, which has been brought in as a law. This is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to in any of the government hospital. The public toilets are worse than a gutter. I'm uttering this word, Your